All right, guys, we've got a lot of extra space in our document. Make sure you're not leaving that extra space there. You don't need any spaces between lines, between your header and your title. I love this sentence. That's a really powerful one right there. Nice job. Strong thesis. Excellent topic sentence. Excellent analysis. Solid paragraph, no changes. Small feedback here, lowercase the a in addition. Remember, Friar Lawrence is a man, so his feelings. He uses the oxymoron. Don't need to capitalize everlasting, and you don't need to capitalize masculine. Don't address the reader directly with you, and try to avoid contractions whenever possible. And whenever we're quoting something, make sure you do double quotation marks, not apostrophes. I'm not sure this is explicitly connected to the gender spectrum. You may want to reconsider this sentence of commentary. And you don't need a comma after Romeo and Juliet. The transition phrasing here is a little bit awkward. You might say in addition to contradictions. That's a little bit more solid. I'm not sure we can make the argument that the fire represents masculine. I guess you could, I would rephrase this to make it clear that you're referring to traditionally masculine expectations or stereotypically masculine behaviors. This is good embedding, just eliminate the comma. I wonder if the epithet tells us more about Mercutio than it does about Tybalt, because Mercutio is mocking Tybalt, hoping to instigate an argument. That might be something to reconsider with your commentary here. Overall, really solid first draft, you guys. I don't have a ton of feedback for you, so make those changes that I mentioned.